Blockchain sounds like a very technical word, but the core idea is actually pretty simple. A blockchain is a digital ledger. In other words, it is a record of information. In Bitcoin, that information is mainly transactions. Who sent Bitcoin, who received it, and when it happened. The reason it is called a blockchain is because the information is grouped into blocks. Then those blocks are linked together in order, creating a chain. So, block plus chain equals blockchain. Now imagine this. You have a notebook. Each page contains a list of transactions. When one page is full, you move to the next page, but every new page is linked to the previous one in a way that protects the order of the whole notebook. That is a simple mental picture of blockchain. What makes Bitcoin's blockchain special is that it is not controlled by just one company or one computer. It is shared across a network. Many participants can verify the same history. That makes it much harder for someone to secretly change the records. And that is very important when you are talking about money, because if the record of transactions could be easily changed, the whole system would fall apart. Blockchain helps solve that by creating a public, organized, and very difficult to alter history. Now, it is important to say this. Blockchain is not the same thing as Bitcoin. Bitcoin uses blockchain, but blockchain is just one part of how Bitcoin works. So if someone says, I do not understand blockchain, that is okay. You do not need to become a programmer to understand the basic point. The basic point is this. Blockchain is a way of storing records in connected blocks so that the history stays ordered, visible, and hard to tamper with. And for Bitcoin, that is one of the foundations of trust.